Today I will be explaining all the n by n's. They don't fit in the frame. Let's do it. The way that I solve the 2x2 is I get one side solved, then I do an algorithm to solve the other side, and then permute both sides by doing one algorithm. To solve the 3x3 cube, I start by making a cross. It doesn't matter what color it is, I chose white. Then I solve the first two layers by getting pairs in like this. Then to solve the last layer, just two algorithms. There's two different steps. And that's how it's done. Now for the cube that has the most steps, I start by solving the white and yellow centers, 3 of these cross edges. Then along here, I solve the rest of these centers like this. Finish the last cross edge, then solve all the edges using a series of these slice moves and with some intelligent movements. Now the cube can be solved exactly like a 3x3 with some occasional weird steps. For the 5, 6, and 7 cubes, they are all done the same way. You start by solving all of their centers, then solve all of the edges. Now they all can pretty much be solved like a 3x3, except for the 6x6, you might run into occasional weird cases that are not possible on a 3x3. In that case, you just have to do some weird algorithms. Yeah, and then you can solve it like a 3x3. If you enjoyed this video, please like and sub, and also bye.